Hey guys, Coca-Block717 here, and today I'm here with two of my friends.
Hi.
Which are
Ava.
and
Kira.
No!
Sophie, that's not your name. Oh God.
Oh my god, just say your name. Sorry.
Sophie.
Yes. Questions. Is there a law against
Drinking and driving. It's kind of obvious.
Everyone knows that though.
Oh yeah, I know, but they probably would have said it then. Is there a law against? It's very hard to think.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Let's just see. I don't know.
This is
Peeing in
a
a
very hard
bush.
thing.
Peeing in a bush.
You're so wrong.
I know.
She is a very bold girl, guys.
Oh, darn it.
Oh, darn it.
Pooping in a bush? No.
No. Who was the first person to go toilet?
Is there a law against?
Is there a law against pushing people in public? Or
random.
killing people. Killing people. It's kind of...
But whatever you say. Killing people? It's not gonna be it, Sophie. Told you.
Darn it.
Is there a law against?
Okay, this is the hardest thing ever.
Playing Fortnite in real life.
I don't know.
What
There's
I'm doing.
something wrong with her brain.
I know. I know, but that's because you can't hear the sound on this. Sorry guys, she's just saying there's no sound.
Oh, will you shut up?
Hey! I knew we were going to get an X anyway.
Darn it. Wait, what?
Cyberbullying, burning the US flag.
Cannibalism, flag burning. Flag burning.
Burning the US
Animal
flag.
cruelty. Oh, abortion. Verbal abuse. Animal testing.
Anyways, next round.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, and if you guys
More
have...
questions. Names. Oh,
No.
God.
When is a good time to...
When is a good time to...
have sweets or something?
Don't say that. When is a good time to...
Pee at a concert?
No.
It might be.
Sorry, guys. Guys,
Darn it.
she's so crazy.
But what if you're going to miss your favorite song or something?
Guys, she's really
Okay, what do
crazy.
you think?
Time to... This is really hard. Go to the toilet in a marathon.
No.
Then you'll need to go to the toilet and then you won't run anymore. No, it's true. Toilet. Here, can I shot? Oh,
Wait.
Ava. Too lit. Too lit.
Running a marathon, let's say.
Running a marathon.
It's not going to be it.
I know, but come on, who cares? At least
You
it
do.
tries. Oh, Ava.
What do you think it is?
It's your turn.
If you get one right, then you get another go.
When is a good time to... Oh my God, this is so hard.
Come on.
When's a good time to...
Like Google Feud.
Go. Pardon?
Never mind. What were you going to say?
Go toilet, probably. No. When is a good time to catch an animal or something?
Get a pet.
Get a fish, yeah. I know it's not gonna be it.
I know, Sophie. None of the things are going to be it.
Oh God.
Buy a
Okay, come on,
car,
next round.
have a baby, buy a house, get pregnant.
What?
have a baby and go.
Refinance.
Go to Hawaii. Get married. Buy a TV. Have a baby shower. Plant grass.
What? Plant grass? That sounds so weird.
We were never going to get any of these.
Next
guys.
round, come on.
Let's do names this time, but it's really hard. Megan Trainor.
No!
What? Here, guys, I know we're a bit cheating on this, but let's search it up. Like Megan Fox.
Megan Fox, okay.
Megan Roberts, Megan Boom,
Stop.
Megan Leafy.
Megan Fox. Please.
Yes!
Now,
Megan Roberts.
Sorry, guys.
Oh!
2.
Megan Boone.
Leave.
Boone.
O-N-E.
Yes!
Sorry, guys. Work on it. This is
Megan Levy.
oh.
It's probably not going to be one.
It might be.
No!
You got two.
Follows.
Park.
Megan Park.
Moulay.
Megan Olivey. Foxage. Megan Fox.
Fox. That's just weird. Megan Fox. Why wasn't it
next
Megan
round.
Trainor?
I don't know.
Imagine you could delete that.
That is so funny. Next round.
Maybe people.
Questions. No. Can I be a...
Superhero.
Yeah.
I know it's not gonna be white.
It might be.
It
That's
might
actually
be
a good one.
There's no space, Hannah. There's no space.
What?
There's no space in superhero.
She better.
What?
Can I be...
Rockets. Sorry, it's
Can I be a priest? None.
No!
Try none.
I don't know. Model, doctor, clown, for Halloween,
Lawyer, spy,
nurse,
foster parent, resident
male,
of two states.
surgeon,
Spy.
foster parent,
Clown for Halloween.
Resident
That's
of 2
stupid.
states. Resident of 2 states. Okay, that was a good question.
Okay,
Though.
yeah, I know.
A resident of
Next
2
round.
states. I like the questions. Why do adults have
Children.
bigger hands? Big hands.
No, Hannah, that's so weird.
No, it's not gonna. I knew it.
Why do adults have
Children.
jobs?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah. Why do adults have an ensuite in their bedroom?
I don't know.
Why do
adults
adults have
have-
children?
No,
Have-
you keep saying that.
More money than children?
No,
because they have a job. This is so stupid. Sorry, guys. We just like having fun.
Stem cells, epics, night terrors, to work. Why
To work?
To work, have to work. Security blankets, temper tantrums, stem cell answers, ACNE, and wet dreams.
What dreams?
Wow,
Let's do names because we're pretty good. Jeremy
Jeremy Vine.
Jeremy Strong.
Yeah, Jeremy Vine is a guy too.
Vine.
He's a guy.
No!
Jeremy Strong then. I don't know.
Strongs. Is it strong or strongs?
That's how you spell strong.
I know.
Is it J?
Jeremy Lynn. I'm
Jeremy
Lynn.
It's
Strong. I did strong. Lynn.
Yes!
Sorry, guys. Jeremy.
Irons.
Irons.
I don't think.
Irons, whatever.
It's not gonna be one.
Yay!
Sorry about that, guys. Sorry, guys.
Jeremy
Clark.
Clarkson. Is it, wait, I don't know how to spell it.
I do. Just do meeks.
No.
S-O-N.
Yay! We have the most so far, guys.
Jeremy. Corbin.
Meeks.
Corbin.
No, it's Corbin. Don't do me.
It is.
Meeks.
Hopefully this is right, guys.
Yay! Okay. We don't agree.
Corbin, whatever his name is. C-O-R-B-Y-N.
Corbin.
C-O-R-B-Y-N. 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 Sorry.
No! What else is there?
Jeremy Strong.
Strong.
Jeremy Strong or Strongs?
Strong. There's no such thing as Jeremy Strongs. No, not really.
Sumter.
Just do strong.
Strong.
Strong book. Jeremy Strong books.
No! That's the most we got so far, guys. And it's rude.
Alan White.
Jeremy Allen White.
What the heck? Anyways, next round.
What will we do, people? My feet
My feet
smell
smell
like.
Oh, what the heck?
It's people, so. I know how to cheat on this.
Google.
She does not know how to spell, guys.
I do.
Google feud.
And it's always E. Answers. Sorry, guys. I know we're being really bold and.
Well, this is a very hard game, so
Yeah,
it's
answers.
worth it.
My feet smell like. My feet smell better. Search for my. Vinegar. Let's do vinegar. I know.
No, you spelled it wrong.
Vinegar.
Where'd the girls go?
Yes! My feet smell like
Just do cheese.
Fritos.
Cheese and popcorn.
Fritos.
I said cheese and popcorn. Now just do the one that you know how to spell first. No, that's not how you spell it. Don't do it yet. Let's just see.
F-R-I-T-O-S.
Yeah.
Yay!
Okay, now do popcorn and cheese. Popcorn and cheese.
Popcorn?
Yeah, I saw that.
I'm scared to do this.
Yay! Now do cheese.
Well, we only have 2 minutes left on the video.
I'm just gonna. Cheese. Cheese. Weed. Weed.
Yes, yeah, don't say
Cheese.
anything.
Yes!
Sorry.
Butter.
Yeast.
Butter. Poop. Poop is one. Butter.
Oh.
Butter. Yes. Butter. Butter. Quick, quick.
Is that one?
Okay, so we need to end this video really quickly, guys.
Bleach, ammonia, and copy and fish. So, bye, guys.
We had fun and subscribe if you like.
Please. Sorry, she doesn't get it. Like this video. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And
Subscribe.
Subscribe that
to her channel. Not our channel, her channel.
Her channel. Bye.
Bye.